and welcome back to Healthy Over 50. My name is Liliane, but you can call me Lily. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of digestion, and more importantly, what happens when things go wrong. From bloating and fatigue to more serious conditions like ulcers and inflammatory bowel disease, your gut is often the first place to show signs of imbalance. But don't worry, we'll also look at natural ways to support your digestion and get you feeling your best again. Let's start in the stomach. Stomach ulcers are painful sores in the lining of the stomach. Normally, a thick muscle layer protects the lining from stomach acid, but when this balance is disrupted, ulcers can form. Common causes: stress, overuse of anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen, smoking, alcohol, and the bacteria Helicobacter pylori. What are the symptoms? Bloating, burping, upper abdominal pain about an hour after eating. The natural approach: avoid alcohol, avoid smoking, avoid dairy, eat steamed vegetables, whole organic rice, and pasta. Try slippery elm to coat the stomach lining. Sip baking soda in warm water to ease acid. Try raw potato juice as it can smooth irritation. Let's talk about the irritable bowel syndrome. IBS is a common condition that affects the large intestine. It's often triggered by stress and has a strong connection with the brain-gut axis. What are the symptoms? Abdominal cramping, relieved after passing stool. Diarrhea, constipation, or both. Bloating and discomfort. What are the triggers? Stress and emotional tension. Antibiotic use. Food intolerance like dairy and gluten. What's the natural approach? Peppermint oil, ginger, turmeric, probiotics and prebiotics, eliminating food intolerances, and of course, stress reduction, breathwork, yoga. Let's talk about constipation. Constipation isn't just uncomfortable. It can also lead to toxin buildup and hormone imbalances. Why it happens? Low fiber, not enough fluids. The natural approach: you want to increase fiber with raw or lightly cooked fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Avoid refined sugars that slow digestion. Use natural laxative like prunes, figs, flax seeds. Drink aloe vera juice and make sure you're moving your body daily. Now let's talk about inflammatory bowel disease. Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis are serious inflammation disorders of the gut, and they need professional support, but diet and lifestyle can make a huge difference. Symptoms include diarrhea, abdominal pain, urgency, fatigue, nutrient deficiencies. The natural approach. Eliminate dairy and inflammatory foods. Test for allergies. Increase omega-3s with flax seeds, walnuts, oily fish. Boost antioxidants like quercetin. Include turmeric, aloe vera, slippery elm. Get enough vitamin D and address nutrient deficiencies. And of course, bring in probiotics to balance your gut flora. Now let's talk about celiac disease. Celiac disease is an autoimmune reaction to gluten which damages the small intestine and reduces nutrient absorption. Where is the gluten? Wheat, rye, barley, and even some oats. What are the symptoms? Diarrhea or constipation? Fatty, full-smelling stools, bloating, gas, fatigue, and weight loss. The natural approach. A strict gluten-free diet. Swap to grains like rice, quinoa, buckwheat, millet. Make sure you're getting enough iron, folate, calcium, and B12. Leaky gut. Let's talk about a condition that's getting a lot more attention lately, and that's the leaky gut. In a healthy gut, the lining forms tight junctions between cells, acting like a secure wall. But when those junctions loosen, larger undigested particles can leak into the bloodstream. Let's talk about the symptoms. Bloating, fatigue, skin rash, even autoimmune conditions. The natural approach. Eliminating trigger foods like gluten, dairy, sugar. Reducing stress. Gut healing nutrients like the slippery elm, aloe vera. Finally, let's look at Candida, a fungus naturally found in most people's gut, but one that can overgrow when the immune system is weakened. What are the triggers? Antibiotic use, high sugar diets, stress, a disrupted gut microbiome. The symptoms: bloating, fatigue, brain fog, sugar cravings, skin issues, or yeast infections. The natural approach. Eliminate sugar. Eliminate alcohol. Eliminate dairy or high yeast foods. Eat grains, vegetables, quality protein, fermented foods, anti-fungals like oregano oil, garlic, turmeric, apple cider vinegar. Restore balance with strong probiotics. Your gut is your second brain. It influences everything from your mood, energy, to your immunity and long-term health. If you're struggling with digestion, remember, natural remedies, diet, and lifestyle changes can bring powerful relief. And always consult a professional if symptoms are persistent. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Over 50 for more natural health wisdom. Take care of your gut, and it will take care of you.